Namaste and welcome you to Bhaisa Bharat. This bulletin is presented by the students of Ramakrishna Gyan Mandir, which is connected with RSB Vidyapit Group. Let us begin with today's key updates, including Indian news, world affairs, sports, economic, weather, and RSB Vidyapit special news. Special of the day. Today is the Martyam Dome Day of Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji, the 9th Sikh Guru. National news. The witness identified Yasin Malik in the 1990 IAF attack case. PM Modi pushed a global critical minerals plan at G20. Justice Surya Kant said be fast CGI from Haryana and the center withdraw change to Chhattisgarh as administration. International news. Most exports, hummus ports and across Europe and the UK plan for major migration overhaul. Trump won Ukraine and placed talks. Dubai approved a record DH 302.7 billion budget. West Bengal news. BJP force on the SIR issues and governance in Bengal polls, while IMD says the Bay of Bengal cyclone will have minimal impact on the state this week. Economic news. India is projected to be grow above 70% in 2025 to 2026. Experts argue deeper labor form and calls rise to finals FTS with the UV and US. Educational news. School closed in multiple northern states for Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji's Shahidi Divas. West Bengal NEET PG choice filling ends today. And AP released the 2026 SSC exam schedule. Sports news. India won the Women's T20 Blind World Cup. Shikha Sen claimed the Australian Open and the India beat Korean 1-0 in the Sultan Al Shah Cup opener. Weather news. Sunny and hazy condition with a high of 32 degrees Celsius and a low of 14 degree to 18 degrees Celsius. While Bay of Bengal low pressure may stranger later this week. RSB Vidyapit special news. Peer 2 exam began today across RGM Park Road and Ramakrishna Kids Academy, with the students appearing for their mid-session assessment. Principal said held a meeting to begin planning for the upcoming annual sport meet and focusing the logistics, safety and the event arrangements. Thought of the day. Wake up with determination, go to bed with satisfaction. Thank you and have a nice day.